So by now, you guys must have already heard that Google has recently launched Nano Banana and it is going absolutely viral. It is by far the easiest image editor out there, and the best part is that literally anyone can use it. Now if you don't know what Nano Banana is or how it works, don't worry. You can check out plenty of videos on YouTube for the basics. In this video, I'm mainly going to show you 15 use cases of Nano Banana and how you can actually get benefit from it. And before we dive in, if you don't know how to access it, I have already added the link in the description. You can go there and get free access right away. Alright, let's get started with the video. But before moving ahead, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. So first start by heading over to gemini.google.com, and before you do anything, you have to make sure that you have selected the 2.5 flash model, because this model is the one that will allow us to generate images. Now here is the prompt box. Start by uploading your image. Like here I am uploading an image, and now add your prompt. Like I have added replace the astronaut's mobile phone with a large banana. Now go ahead and click submit. Within a few seconds it will generate your image, and the best part is that it only changes the part that you added or mentioned in your prompts. Everything else like your face, background, it stays exactly the same. Alright, first use case is that you can edit or replace your text. Like here I added a prompt which says remove the text between us from the poster, keep the space as the main title, and boom, Nano Banana just wipes out the extra text while keeping the main one. It is super handy if you want to clean up an old design. Here is another example of this design where I given a prompt to remove the space from the poster and add a new title, astronauts, in the same font and style. And you can see that it literally replaced the title easily in just few seconds. Imagine doing this on Photoshop and how much time would it take. Next one is object removal. Here I picked a family photo from the internet and wanted to remove the woman on the right. So I simply wrote remove the woman on the right side of the image. And just like that, she's gone. Background stays perfect. It seems like that person was never even there. Here is another image of me. I just removed myself by adding a simple prompt, remove the person from the image completely. So whether it's a random photo or something you just don't like, Nano Banana cleans it up easily while keeping everything else same. Next one is actually pretty cool. Different camera angles. I uploaded this image and this prompt, generate a low angle cinematic shot of this image. Suddenly your normal pic looks like it's straight out of a movie, and it's absolutely crazy. Let me show you another example where I added this prompt, generate a drone shot of this image with a wide view. And there you go. You have got a full aerial vibe. Imagine making content look like you had a pro drone setup. Now let's add people into our shots. I uploaded this image and asked to place Tom Cruise behind me with his right hand on my shoulder. Tell me that is not insane. It looks so real, like you actually clicked the pic with him. Even fictional ones, I simply said to add Iron Man beside me, resting his hand on my shoulder. Yes, Nano Banana makes it look like Tony Stark's actually chilling with you. Perfect for fun Instagram posts. Now the next use case is that you can generate mockups. I found this image of the Weekend poster somewhere, so let's create a mockup with this. I added the prompt which says design a mockup of a fan holding the Weekend's poster while standing outdoors. In seconds, you get a super realistic poster shot. It is pretty cool for brands who wants to promote their products without spending much money. Let me show you another example. I added the prompt, generate a realistic poster mockup of the Weekend in a trendy cafe. Looks so good, you had think someone actually clicked this image at a cafe. Alright, this one is actually pretty amazing, where you can manipulate your photos and change their expressions. Like here is my image smiling, and I added this prompt, show a thoughtful expression of this person. And this is what it actually looks like. My face changed naturally without messing up with the identity. Here is another one. I added the prompt, show an angry expression of me. So one photo, infinite emotions. Perfect for content creators, that they can even generate these different expression images for their YouTube thumbnails. Now, if you want to change an existing logo that is already in the image, then you can do that as well. Like here I replaced the Apple logo with the Samsung logo. It also kept the style and lighting same. And the prompt is replace the Apple logo on the building with the Samsung logo. Nothing fancy. You can easily swap brands and it looks clean. Here is another one. The prompt is replace the Apple logo in the background with the Google logo. Super useful if you are doing client work or just want to test different branding ideas. Next is colorizing old and black and white image. Simply write this prompt, colorize this image and make the colors vibrant, colorful and modern. Like you can see this old image I took from stock photos and here is what it gave me. Black and white goes full HD Instagram ready. Here is another example and you can see this amazing output. It even colored the sky flawlessly. Then we have outpainting and basically all you have to do is just type two words, zoom out, and it will expand the frame and builds the background for you. Basically, it makes your picture wider without losing quality and details. You can see that here as well. Alright, next use case is VFX generation. I uploaded this base image of a speeding car and added this prompt. Add a realistic helicopter chasing the speeding car, create a distance explosion with fire, smoke, flying debris, enhance sand and dust scattering widely around the car. And suddenly, your simple photo turns into a Hollywood-style action scene. You don't even need After Effects for it. Now this is wild. It's called multi-image prompting. Basically, you can upload multiple images and ask Nano Banana to combine them into one final output. For the best, you have to add all the items in one frame like here I added in Canva. Then I uploaded this image and gave this prompt. Create a modern gaming setup with grey desk, RGB PC, monitor, ergonomic chair, minimalist black and wood room decor. And literally, it built a complete realistic gaming setup from scratch and you can see everything is placed perfectly. This one is one of my favorite, which is generating consistent characters. I started with this robotic tiger in a glowing city and added a prompt. A robotic tiger jumps through a glowing city, sparks flying from its paws and lights shining on its moving metal body. The result? A sick cyberpunk style robotic tiger that looks like a movie poster. Here is where it gets even cooler. I can keep generating the same characters in different styles and shots. For example, I generated this close-up shot and here you can see I created this group image with more tigers. Same tiger, different vibes. This is game-changing for storytelling. Next one is for brands, product placement. I took this image of a snow leopard on a cliff with a Monster Energy drink and added a simple prompt, snow leopard on snowy cliff beside chilled Monster Energy Ultra can. And the product blends it naturally with the scene. No Photoshop required. Here is another one. I took this astronaut image from Google and added the prompt close-up shot of an astronaut holding a Monster Energy drink with dramatic lighting. And this looks straight out of a commercial. Imagine how useful this is for brands or advertisers to create endless creative shots. This one is for fashion lovers. You can literally try on new outfits digitally. For example, I uploaded an image of a woman and a dress and used this prompt. Replace the woman's current outfit with the floral dress shown in the reference image. And in seconds, she is wearing the new dress. Super useful for e-commerce stores. Another example, I just uploaded the outfits like shoes, shorts, top and gave the prompt a fit male sports model sprints at dawn on an urban track in sleek Nike gears and a faint city skyline behind. It looks like a legit Nike ad campaign. This feature can literally change how brands do photo shoots. So these were the use cases of Nano Banana and how you can get the maximum output from it. Honestly, Nano Banana is the best image generation model I have seen so far. You should definitely give it a try, and if you need any help, just drop a comment below. I will be happy to guide you. If you found this video even a little bit useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep creating, keep building.